Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Chevrolet Cruze. First, ensure your vehicle is safely in park and the ignition is on. Then, activate Bluetooth on your mobile device through its settings menu. Next, access the phone menu on your Cruze infotainment system. Finally, select Pair Device or Add New Device to begin the process. Once you've initiated pairing, your Cruze system will display a unique 4-digit PIN. It's crucial to confirm this PIN matches the one shown on your mobile device for security. Next, select your Cruze from the list of available Bluetooth devices on your phone. Finally, accept the pairing request on both your phone and the vehicle's screen to complete the connection. After successful pairing, your phone's contacts may automatically sync with your Cruze system. You can now conveniently make and receive hands-free calls, enhancing your driving safety. Additionally, stream your favorite audio directly from your device to the car's speakers for an enjoyable experience. Manage calls and audio effortlessly using the steering wheel controls for added convenience. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the car can often resolve them. Sometimes, deleting previous pairings from both devices and trying again provides a fresh start. Always ensure your phone's Bluetooth is discoverable during the pairing process. For specific details or persistent problems, consult your vehicle's owner's manual for comprehensive guidance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.